We have 4 bicycle tools here today. I'm going to review each one of them. This is King Tony, a Taiwanese manufacturer. Has loads of different sizes. It has a chain braking tool, detachable. These has 2 Allen keys, star and a hex socket. No mention of what size it is. I don't know where I would use these except for these 2 and this star maybe, and probably none of these. The ones I would use here are the small Allens. I wouldn't carry a chain braking tool with me on a bike, so it has lots of sharp edges. Doesn't have a locking mechanism, so when I'm using to tighten something it might slip on me, especially with tighter nuts. It has a very cool sliding function though. It locks in very beautifully into each other. A little bulky. Yeah, I wouldn't want to carry extra weight. Maybe carry half of it, but then I miss out on the smaller Allen keys. I don't think this would fit my application. Thinking that I want a small, light and efficient tool. So here's one of them. It's a much smaller tool. Has longer Allens in small size, which is very neat. But unfortunately has no locking again, which means when I use it to tighten something, it could go in either direction. Could hurt me also maybe. It has this 6mm hex, 8mm hex. I can't figure out where I would use an 8mm hex yet. So on my bike, it's very small though. I like that about this. I wouldn't carry this anyway because of no locking. Here we have 2 identical tools. This one being a copy of this one. This and this were made by the same brand. I think they are OEMs for somebody. 6/4 inch Allen key it says. Why would I need a 1/4 inch? They have put this 1/4 inch in because this is a standard adapter. It is from 1/4 inch hex to 1/4 inch hex. This fits on both sides, and but we have all the right Allen keys here. Can be used on both sides. It has a 2.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 4 and 5. And instead of 6 they have a 1/4 inch, a T25 which they've got right, a flat, and a PH2 star with 2 tire levers. It looks a little, the plastic looks a little low quality, and these bits are usually available for 15 rupees a piece. So I wouldn't suggest, I wouldn't think this would take larger amounts of torque with rusted or stuck bolts. But the advantage of this being it's really small and light. The design has been copied with rounder edges. Very easy to access your bits and can easily fit into any small bag. There you go. And all the bits all fit in neatly, snugly into this. But yeah, you see hasn't much gone into the design element except to try and copy this one. And it comes, and here I come to the masterpiece. 5mm, the one you're going to use the most, is an individual L key. It has a beautiful adapter, so easy to slip out. 6mm Allen, 4, 3, 2.5 and 2. Large mention of the sizes, easily identify them. Very high quality bits, can go through a lot of stress and strain. They give you a lifetime warranty. Very nice plastic. Tire levers, I had another set which these tire levers are really strong. There's no doubt this is the best set. It's so lightweight, it fits so neatly. I'm not struggling with any of the tool to insert or remove. Not struggling with the adapter. So nice. Has this beautiful click sound. See that everything is set in place. I've been carrying this for a few years now. Not this particular one, but a similar one. And it's awesome. It has never let me down. And I'm sure anybody else who has used this will say exactly the same. It's the best bicycle kit I've ever come across. I've seen lots of them. Yeah, this one's really expensive compared to these. Like maybe 8 times, 10 times more expensive than this. But yeah, you need to buy it once. You don't need to buy them every year or every season. You buy them and it'll last forever for sure. Thank you for watching.